This is just in one color. This is another one made with acrylic variegated yarn. This one made with a cotton hemp mix. For the tutorial, I am going to make an ear warmer using Red Hat Super Saver yarn. For the ear warmer, I am going to make 19 chains. Now on the second chain from hook, we are going to make a single crochet. This is the first chain from the hook, then this is the second chain from hook. So we are going to make single crochet till the end of this chain length. Now the row 1 is complete. Now I am going to chain 3 and turn the work. This chain 3 will act as a double crochet. We are going to make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Then I'm going to skip the next 2 stitches, and on the third one I'm going to make double crochet 2 together. To do that, yarn over hook, insert the hook in the stitch, bring up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. We are going to yarn over the hook, go through the first 2 loops on the hook. We have 2 loops on the hook remaining. Now I am going to do one more time, yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over the hook, go through the first 2 loops on the hook. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over the hook and go through all the 3 loops all at once. Then we are going to make chain 2. Then we are going to make one more 2 DC together, 2 double crochet together. Don't worry, we are going to repeat the pattern one more time. 1, 2, skip these 2, and we are going to make double crochets 1 and 2. Then we skip again the next 2 stitches, and in the third stitch we are going to make 2 double crochet together. One more time, yarn over the hook. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and go through all the 3 loops at once. Then chain 2 and make one more 2 DC 2 double crochet together. Yarn over, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over and go through first 2 loops on the hook. Now there are 2 loops remaining on the hook. Yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over the hook and go through the first 2 loops on the hook. We have 3 more loops remaining on the hook, and we are going to yarn over and go through the 3 loops all together. Then we are going to skip the next 2 and going to make double crochets in the remaining stitches. So 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet each on the next 3 stitches. So this end we have to make 1 more double crochet. That way we have the straight edges for our ear warmer. Now again for the next row, this is going to be the texture starting row. These are the base rows, and we have to do the texture rows only from here, and that's a row we are going to repeat. Now I made chain 3, turn the work. Now in this first double crochet I am going to make a front post double crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook from the side facing me to the back and come behind that double crochet and yarn over the hook and go to the back again. Now this double crochet is pushed towards the front, and we are going to yarn over hook, go through the first 2 loops, yarn over the hook and go through the second 2 loops on the hook. Now we finish one front post double crochet. In the next stitch we are going to make a back post double crochet. So we are going to yarn over hook, insert the hook from the opposite side, the back side, or the face or the back of the working side, insert the hook to the front. Then above that double crochet I am going to insert it to the back, bring the loop to the back. Now see that double crochet is pushed towards the back a little bit. Now I am going to finish my double crochet. That's an easy texture. Now in this chain 2 space we are going to repeat the 2 double crochet together, chain 2, 2 double crochet together, the same. This is becoming very easy from now on because we are repeating the pattern. Yarn over hook, a front post double crochet, now yarn over hook and a back post double crochet, then we work in the chain 2 space. I will write the PDF pattern and publish it on my Ko-fi page, and I will also link it on the Ravelry, so you can see the PDF pattern just in case you want the written pattern. Now again a front post double crochet here and a back post double crochet here. From now on we just have to repeat this row. So we will go through one more time. If you are interested in, if you like these patterns, then you can subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up if you like it. Is this pattern becoming easy for you? From now on it will be easier for you, right? This gives that luxurious looking boho vibe with this texture, but it is quite easy. It's a very quick pattern. Now my ear warmer is almost enough length to fit my head. It is now I'm going to finish off this one by making double crochets. We are going to finish this by doing the single crochet all along. So chain 1, single crochet in all the stitches. Then we can cut the yarn off. In this chain 2 spaces we are going to make a 3 single crochet. Now we can cut the yarn off and we can stitch both ends together. Now I cut off and lock it in place. Now before stitching the ends together, see, this is a reversible ear warmer. To make a twist, I'm going to do like this one, then stitching the ends together. So I get a twist without much effort. Turning this like this, then bringing the ends together, and we can stitch. Here is that twist, and look at this texture, looking very luxurious and boho, and it covers the ears wide enough. I like this one. The twist is effortlessly made there. This is the ear warmer I made. If you like these patterns, please like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out the next patterns coming out.